It's a bad man thing.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wigs to Wasteland. If you are new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for your girl. And of course, don't forget to follow me on all my social media. So as you can tell, this is going to be a little bit different. This is going to be my first chit chat. Get ready with me. So I'm getting ready for school. And I know a lot of you have asked for this. So here you go. So I'm going to start off with this color corrector that I got from Walmart, and this is by Hard Candy, and it's their Color Correct Cushion Wonder in the orange color. So this is what the packaging looks like, and I'll have all this stuff in the description box down below. So I'm going to use the busted one that's already open. I kind of fronted. I'm gonna front and show you guys this one. But I'm going to use the busted one that's already open. So where should we start with this? Get ready with me. So the first thing I want to talk about, of course, is my channel and the direction of my channel and things to come. So I definitely want to thank everyone for tuning in and commenting and sharing the videos. Hint, hint, share this one. So I definitely want to thank everyone for the support. It has been more than I ever thought I would get. And I'm very excited about this year and seeing what happens with my channel and the direction and all that good stuff. So of course I will stick to the wigs, honey. So definitely be on the lookout for more wig reviews. As far as makeup, I know I've been asked this a lot. Honey, I'm a rookie. I'm as basic as it comes. And to tell you the truth, I love color. I absolutely love color. And I love colorful makeup. But your girl's a little intimidated. And I get overwhelmed looking at all the shadows and blushes and bronzes. And I always end up sticking to what I know. Stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I don't know if I will be doing any makeup tutorials, only because they're all gonna look the same. And natural hair, I know a lot of you have commented or inquired when's the update coming on my natural hair. So I will be having an update. So I might have to carve out some time on the weekend to do that natural hair update. And even if it's just like a, you know, a quick length check, I can do that. So definitely be on the lookout for that. So now that I have my color corrector kind of blended out, looking like Ghostface Killer, I'm gonna go ahead and go straight to my foundation. I do not use a primer. I go straight to my foundation. Because I have oily skin, I use just my foundation and it lasts all day. So I'm going to be using an old-time favorite of all my brown skin girls. This is M.A.C, and this is their Studio Fix. And this is in the color NW50. This is what the bottom looks like. Come on, camera. There we go. I'm going to be using this this eyeshadow brush that I got from Ulta. It came in like one of those makeup organizers. It was like a little plastic insert, so who can't use some more brushes? You can never have too many brushes. The reason that I use this eyeshadow brush to apply it is, one, I am very heavy-handed. 2, it helps me spread it out. And 3, this bottle ain't cheap. So I'm trying to make it last as much as I can. And I've actually switched this foundation. I was using Maybelline's Fit Me in 360, and it was cool until I got home and got a glimpse of myself, and I was like 2 shades, 3 shades too dark. So I decided to revisit some MAC makeup, and voila, here we are. Second thing I wanted to talk about, and I know this seems like a lot, second thing I wanted to talk about was something really dear to my heart, and something that is a big issue in the African American community that we don't talk about, and that is depression. And I got confirmation that I needed to talk about this by one of my viewers. She left a comment regarding her depression. So I want to thank her for being candid. I'm not going to put her name because, you know, I don't put her business like that. But, and I'm going in with my little makeup brush here, and I just sprayed it with some water. As some of you know, I do have depression. Depression is a very, very misunderstood mental issue. And I think a lot of people think that you're constantly crying, or, you know, you can automatically tell when someone has depression. And a lot of times depressed people will seem to be the happiest people you know. They always have a smile on their face. They're always laughing and joking, like me. And now that's not saying that every person that laughs and jokes and is constantly happy throughout the day has depression. But I know from my own personal experience, that is part of the mask, that everything's okay. And I think it is such a big issue in the African American community with my people, because we do not discuss it. I do advise, if you do have depression, whether or not you see a therapist, whether or not you talk to someone, whether or not you find a support group, I think it's very important that we address those issues instead of masking them like we've been taught to do. Here's a question I have for some of you out there. When is the last time you took care of you? When is the last time that you had some self-care and you had someone that you could talk to, or you went to someone that you could talk to? And if you have depression, what has kept you from seeking help with it? Now I'm going to go in right back in with this eyeshadow brush and my foundation, and I'm going to clean up my eyebrows, and I'm also going to lighten up my eyes. Alright, cool. Alright, so now I'm going to do the second eye same way. Looking a little crazy, huh? So now I'm going to go in with, I think this is a contour brush. I got this about a year ago. It was at Target. I do not know the name of this brush, but I got it and it's worked wonders. So I'm going to go in and I'm just going to pat some of this dry. So second thing I wanted to talk about, or third. So third thing I wanted to talk about was my channel and sponsorships. My channel does depend solely on sponsorships or wigs that are sent to me by these hair companies. And there's a reason for that. I'm a full-time student. With that being said, I will always give my honest opinion on any wig review that I do. I try to give you guys the honest, you know, just real deal. And honestly, and trust me, if I don't like it, it's gonna show, honey. So now I'm gonna go in with this loose finishing powder by Maybelline, and it's part of their Fit Me line in the color 40 Dark. I'm just gonna apply this to my eyelids. So as you can see, this happens a lot with my foundation. So I found that by using this powder, it cuts down on that. So I'm just gonna rub this on my eyelid. Voila. So now that my eyes are looking the same color as my face, I'm gonna go in with this Hyper Real Glow by MAC. This is a new highlight trio by them, and I just picked it up. And I am gonna go in with this gold color. So I'm a little upset because a day after I purchased this, the gold actually started to fall out of the case. So I was a little upset, and it looks a little messy, but I'm gonna go in with this color here. And I'm gonna use that on the inner corner of my eye. So yeah, I bought this highlight trio, and I was so excited to use it, and I've been using it, and it's actually really good. I love this trio. And I went to open it one day, and I opened it. I went to go dip my brush, and it just started to lift out. I was like, what? And I didn't take it back. I probably should have took it back and just, you know, just asked if there was anything they could do, but it's been a couple of days. I think it's probably too late for me to do that. I'm just gonna go in with the same brush, same brush, and I'm just gonna highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with the bottom of this brush, and this is the crease side. So I'm actually just gonna rub this in and bring it up. So I will continue to do, most of my reviews will be sponsored. I know there is some controversy behind paid sponsors and whether or not they're honest, you know, with the reviews, and I can't speak for anyone but myself. If I don't like it, I'll either say it or it's gonna show on my face. So now I'm gonna go in with this beautiful eyeshadow. And this is by MAC, and it's in the color Stylishly Mary. It's their extra dimension eyeshadow. So here is what she looks like. Ooh, pretty. Come on, focus. There we go. So I do not use a brush for this. I told you your girl is real simple. I take it back to the basics. I'm gonna use my finger and just dust it. I'm not gonna put too much because I think when I come home from school, I'm gonna try to get some wig reviews out the way. So your girl's a little backed up with the reviews. But I'm just gonna go in with my finger, lightly dust it. Nothing too drastic, just to cover the lid. Now I'm just gonna go in with my eyeliner, and this is by E.L.F. This is one of their, you know, simple dollar eyeliners that I got from Walmart. If you have not seen my wing liner for hooded eyes, I'll leave that card up in this corner. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply my liner, and then I'll come back and finish the look. All right, so eyes are done. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite blush, and this is another one by MAC. It's in the color Fever. So I'm gonna go in with this angled brush that I got from Target. I'll try to find something similar to this. So I'm just gonna start at the top of my temple, work my way down to my cheeks. So what look is complete without a little cheek bling? So I'm gonna go in with this Hyper Real Glow palette again, and I'm gonna use the same gold color and apply it to my cheekbones with this same angled brush. So lastly, I'm gonna go in with this NYX lip liner, and this is in the style Amethyst or SMLL10. I absolutely love this lip liner. I think I'm going to finish it up with this lipstick by L'Oreal, and this is in the number 709 Matte Jig. I know it looks a little blue on camera, but it's actually a really great purple. So now I'm going to finish up with some mascara, and I'm going to go in with this old school favorite, Great Lash, and this is by Maybelline. And the second mascara I'm going to use, yes, I use two sometimes. This is actually it's called Lash Perfector, and it's by Absolute New York. And there you have it. This is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. Don't forget to give this video, of course, a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel. And you know what I say, ladies, whatever you wear, whatever style, whatever cut, whatever lipstick, whatever you do, just make sure you do it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.